Hello everyone, welcome to VG tutorial. Today we are going to continue with the exercise 8.2 of comparing quantity. Question number 6. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the market price of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? This is a question. In this question, here a shopkeeper offered 10% discount. How much is discount percentage? That is 10% discount. We will mention here discount percentage. Discount percentage is 10% off on the market price. On the market price. Clear? It is given in the question. Then what they are telling, what would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450? Here, what a customer have to pay, that means customer have to pay means what is the selling price. We have to find the selling price of a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450. Here is market price means that is the cost price itself. Okay, so here we can write here marked price. That is marked price of jeans is how much? Rupees 1450. Then two shirt marked at rupees 850 each. So then we can write marked price of two shirt. One shirt is each is given, so each means 1. So if you have to find it 2, so we should multiply with the 2. 850 into 2. So how much it will come? 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, remainder 1, 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17. That is 1700 is the market price of the two shirt. So now we have to find the selling price. Is it? What would a customer have to pay? What would a customer have to pay means that is selling price. Okay. So what we have to do here is discount. You already know that a discount means something reduction in the marked price. Means there is a reduction, that is a reduced value, that is 10% on the market price, that is discount. Now we can find the discount of jeans. First we will find the discount of jeans. A discount of jeans, that is what? 10% on the marked price. 10% how to write? 10 by 100 off. What is marked price? Marked price of jeans is how much? That is 1450. Clear? Then now we can easily find here 0, 0 cancel. Here is 1 0. Here is 1 0. That is rupees 145 is the discount amount. Okay. So here in the case of the two shirt also we will find the discount. Okay. Discount amount of two shirt. That also how to write? 10% on the marked price. So 10%, 10 by 100 into marked price how much? Marked price of two shirt is 1700. So we will write like that. 1010 again 1010. So the answer is 170. Here is 10. That's why that is rupees 170 is the discount amount of two shirt. Okay. So now how to find the selling price? Okay, selling price of jeans we will write. Discount is coming, we should add or subtract? We should subtract because there is a reduction in the price. So we should subtract. That is selling price of jeans, how to find it? That is cost or market price of jeans minus discount amount. Discount. That is discount amount we already find, that is rupees 145. So marked price is how much? Marked price of jeans is how much? That is 1450. So we will write like that, 1450 minus discount of jeans, discount amount of jeans, that is we already find that this one 145 is 145. Now we can subtract here 1450 minus is 145. Clear? This one is 145 only, that is discount of jeans, that is 145 only. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, then 4 minus 4 is 0, then 40 minus 1 is, that is 13. Here 1305 is the selling price of jeans. Like that we have to find the selling price of 2 shirt also. So we will write like selling price of 2 shirts. So what? Marked price minus discount amount. Discount amount. Okay, so marked price of the 2 shirt is how much? Marked price of the 2 shirt is 1700. So we will write it like that, 1700 minus discount amount. Discount amount is 170. So we will find 1700 minus 170. 0, 10 minus 7 is 3, then 6 minus 1 is 5, then 1. So rupees 1530 is the selling price. So total selling price, how to find total selling price? We will write like that, selling price of jeans and 2 shirt. Here we find that 1305 for the jeans and this total selling price. Okay, total means we should add. So selling price of 2 shirt is how much? That is 1530. Now we can add this one here. Here look at here, we will add here 1305 plus 1530. So 5 plus 3 is 8, then 2. So total is rupees 2835 is the selling price. Clear? Otherwise we can easily do another way. Here marked price should be considered as 100%. Marked price is, you have to take a marked price as 100%. Okay, marked price of shirt. Yeah, marked price of shirt is how much? 1700. That is the 100%. So 100 is 1700 here. Then what we have to find? Here is discount. Discount means 100 minus how much percentage is discount? That is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So we will find 90. Okay, here 1010, here is 1010. Now we will multiply. Here is 10 already I will write. 9 sevens are 63, remainder is 6, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, that is 1350. This one we already get here. When we are like that, we are writing this much statement, then only we will get 1530. Now we get easily 1530. Like that we can find the selling price of what? Selling price of the jeans also. This shirt we find it, then now we will find the selling price of jeans. How? Here is 100, that is marked price of jeans. What is that? Here marked price of jeans is 1450. Now what we have to find? Discount means 100 minus 10, that is 90. Here also 1010, here 1010. So 145 into 9. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is 4. 9 4s are 36 plus 4, that is 40. Remainder 4. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. That is 1305. Now we got this one. Here before we did this one also 1305. We got easily. If you have idea about this one, you can write like that also. 100 is 1700. Then we have to find the 90. 90 means 100 minus 10 only. So we can add together. Total is 1530 plus 1305. That is 2835. This is the easiest method. Otherwise, you can follow this long method. Okay. I think all of you clear with this question number 6. Now we can do the question number 7. The question is, a milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. It is 20,000 each. On one, he made a gain of rupees 5%. Gain means profit. Okay. Then, and on the other, a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. That one we have to find. In the question, milkman sold. Sold means there is, in the question has given the selling price is given. Selling price is given. That is, 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. That means one buffalo is 20,000 rupees. So selling, we will write a selling price of first buffalo. Okay. Is equal to rupees 20,000. Okay, then on one he made a gain of 5%. That is gain percentage. Gain percentage is how much? 5%. Okay, then gain percentage means cost price. Whatever is their cost price, we should add that one along with that one 5%. That is 5% should be increased. Okay, then here what is 5%? That is in the cost price. In that case, cost price always we will consider as 100%. Okay, clear? Then how the selling price is? Selling price means always cost price plus what is that? Profit is there, we should add. If there is a loss, we should subtract. Here is profit. So cost price plus profit. Cost price is how much? That is 100. Then profit is 5. So totally 105 is the selling price. That is 105% is the selling price. Okay, that is given. How much? 20,000. Okay, now we have to find the cost price. Okay, how to find the cost price? Here 105, that is selling price is, it is given how much? 105 is selling price, that is 20,000. We have to find the cost price. Cost price means how much percentage? That is 100%. Clear? Otherwise we can write like that the equation. Cost price can be find out in the case of profit. Yeah, selling price divided by cost price plus profit into 100. In case of profit. Clear? In case of profit, we will use this equation. But in the case of loss, what we will write? Cost price is selling price divided by cost price minus loss into 100. That is in case of loss, this equation we can use. Clear? Now, here what is cost price plus profit? Cost price plus profit is 105. That one he will write here. Then what is the cost price? That is 20,000. Here this equation itself here right here. Then you have to find the 100. So we will take like that. Then we can cancel this one. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Here 5 2s are. Then 0 is here. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 5 0 means 4 lakh. 4 lakh divided by 21. When we are dividing 4 lakh divided by 21, we will get 19,047.61. That one you have to divide. This is the amount we will get a cost price of the one buffalo. Now we will write about the second buffalo. That is selling price of, we will write a selling price of second buffalo. How much? That also each one is sold for 20,000 rupees. So second buffalo also sold for 20,000. We will write here 20,000 rupees. Okay. So the second buffalo is sold on the loss. How much percent? That is 10% loss. He sold on a loss of 10%. We will write here loss percentage is 10%. Clear? Then again we will write here cost price is 100%. We can take it. Then selling price. Here is loss. So we will write a cost price minus loss only. Okay. So cost price is 100. Then minus loss. How much is loss percentage? That is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90% is the selling price. That is given 20,000 rupees. That is 90% is 20,000. That is the same equation. Here, look at here. I will write here. Cost price is equal to selling price divided by cost price minus loss into 100. Then what is selling price? That is 20,000 by cost price is. Here, cost price is how much? Cost price minus loss. That is 90 into what is 100. In that case also, before also we told that cost price, that is the selling price, that is 90%, 90 is 20,000. Then we have to find the cost price. Cost price means 100%. Clear? So we can cancel this one, 0 and 0. So here is 2 lakh divided by 9. That we will get 22,222.22. That one we will get if we be dividing that amount. Okay, clear? Now what we have to find? We have to find the overall gain or loss. How we will find the overall gain or loss? We will write total selling price. We already know that total selling price is 20,000 each, means 20,000 into 2, that is 40,000. Okay, so then total cost price is how much? Here we got first buffalo's cost price is 19,047.61 plus second buffalo 22,222.22. We should add that one. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. Then decimal 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. Remainder 1. 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, clear? So the total cost price is, we got a total cost price. Here look at here. Selling price is 40,000. Cost price is 41,269. Is it gain or loss? That is a loss. Why? Because selling price is less. The cost price is more. In that case, that is a loss. How to find the loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 41,269.83 minus that is selling price, that is 40,000. Clear? So 3, 8, then 9, 6, 2, 1. So this much is the loss. Loss amount is 1,269.83. Okay, I think all of you clear. You have to by heart this equation, that is a cost price in case of profit, cost price in case of loss. How to find? Okay, so you have to take a selling price divided by cost price plus profit. Okay, cost price is always 100%. Okay, that's it. We will take 100 plus profit is how much percent? That is given. Here is 5% profit, so 100 plus 5, that is 105%. Here also selling price divided by cost price minus loss. Cost price is 100, loss is 10%. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90%. That is only one thing you have to remember. Okay, so I think all of you clear with this question. So now we can wind up the session. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. See you in the next session.